niyazi ukuthi namhlanje nidinga enye i-check-in na. Today is a Monday, a brand new Monday, kesana. And guess who's at the gym? Well, of course, I am at the gym, guys, again. The following Monday, we are still trying this consistency thing. I think this consistency thing will last. So yeah, this is another check-in. It's the 20th, if not the 19th. So yes, check-in. Into engikhathele yona namhlanje. Yo, hi. I'm hella tired. I am so tired. Like I just want to sleep. Like I can feel my eyes in here. You know that feeling when I mean like oh, I'm very tired. But you know what? We keep it moving. We really do keep it moving. So I'm here once again, check in. Today is a Tuesday. Yeah, I'll see what I do in there. But okay, so obviously, like I had mentioned previously, that I do a lot of cardio, but now I actually want to add a bit of tough things. So I want to get some weights, maybe do some squats, those leg press, whatever thing is, whatever, and I'll see what I do in there. But I want to add a bit more to what I usually do. So once again, I'll see if I will be able to take a couple of shots. But I'm actually thinking I'll be able to do this properly on Friday, because on Friday the gym actually isn't that packed. It took me forever to get parking, but I'm here.
And here's this one person they're gonna bumper you.
Sanibonani guys. Sanibonani. Ngaze ngabhoreka ekseni. Not this truck driver. Ashaya isipili sami, guys. Like he didn't smash, but he like English. But he, like, my mirror moved, guys. My mirror moved. Like all the way to the back. But yeah, fortunately nothing happened to the mirror, I hope, because we were able to push it back to its position. So bored in the morning. Like I'm a truck driver. Like truck drivers, I don't know what it is in English, but truck drivers just have that thing of dominion. Like, oh no, I don't know if it's because it's a big car that they drive, or also because the car doesn't really belong to them, so people just tend to drive however if the car doesn't belong to them. Sometimes baba siyacela ukuthi please just be considerate. I'll try and speak English, guys, but I usually am able to vocalize or say whatever it is that I need to say better in my language. So I told him, okay, so as I was saying, I hope you guys can see me. I told this guy, please try and be considerate, you know. I understand you're driving a big car, and you're probably not paying for the car, but can you at least try to be considerate? I mean, if this mirror breaks, I'm literally gonna have to pay for it. Whenever anything happens to the truck, you're not liable for it, you understand? So I don't know, but maybe they should make them liable, because if behavior on the streets, shame, people, they really need to pay for their own sins or whatever. I'm a truck driver, need to pay shame. Guys, today's a Thursday. I think this is the last check-in that I'll be doing. I think I've proven myself now. There's a bit of commitment. I won't be checking in, but I will, however, be showing you the exercises that I'll be doing. You know, actually somebody just bored me, like Jimmy. And I'm really just trying to be this good person that does not, you know, that really just has self-control. But people will tempt you. People will tempt you. But I've been able to really just hold it in and just be like, okay, that's what you want to do? Cool. You know? So this guy can see me try to reverse park into obviously a spot. Did he not try to just really go behind me and get into that tiny little space that was available? But again, I feel like I really am about to lose it. I don't want to lose it, but I feel like the next person also will get all of this. That one person is going to get all of it, Shem. I mean, for instance, Izolo, I'm not sure if I mentioned this. Some truck driver literally bumped my mirror. And unprovoked. Like, he literally came towards me to try and bump the mirror. Yes, when I got off the car, I was like, I greeted him so well. So when I was oh no, he explained whatever story. I'm like, but just be considerate, because remember now, you're the one that's doing this, but you're not liable for it. I mean, in terms of payments, you're not going to pay for it. Insurance will pay, the company will pay. But with me, I'm going to have to pay, though I do have insurance, but there's fees that you need to pay up front. Excess fee. You understand? So I'm like, I was like, please, just be considerate. Like, just be considerate. Asali, that's not your vehicle. You don't care what happens to it, blah, blah, blah. But at least care for the next person, you know? So, yeah. Okay, I feel a bit better now that I've vented. Let me go work out. Anyakchela, this week is Tempt Kunju week. Because what's this? Because what's this? What is this? Yo, I am thanks, Shem. I do look sick, right? I feel like I'm catching flu. But I think I did mention, yeah, it's really slowly been coming. I think I'm catching flu, so I did not go to the gym today. It's Friday. Not because it's Friday, but because I feel like I'm catching flu. So I'm actually at the garage. I just bought some mid lemon and this fiery ginger juice, blah 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 thing. I hope I feel better tomorrow, because there's an event at church and I really need to be part of it. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a good Friday. I hope you are planning to rest. I hope you really are just gonna have a chilled weekend. We'll talk tomorrow, I think, or today. I'll see when I get home if I have anything that I'd like to share with you guys. One thing about me and a big breakfast. This is my breakfast. So this is actually oros, guys, but it's the I'll show you just now which flavor this is, and I've mixed it with soda water. It is beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, so I've got obviously my mushrooms over there. I've got my acha. I think you saw in my previous vlog where I bought it. Actually, that man, guys, makes the best acha in the whole world. I personally, for me, like literally, I haven't had any acha that beats that man's acha. So that's acha. And then that's some tomatoes with some mayo. This is obviously some avocado and then some eggs. So the reason why my mushrooms look like this is because I put in obviously salt, aromat, no, not salt, aromat, and I'll also show you the spice that I use. Beautiful, makes the food taste great. So yeah, but also I'm thinking, guys, is it worth it buying all these things to make your own breakfast? Because these things kind of cost a bit more than to actually go to a shop and have breakfast. But hey, it is what it is. So guys, this is the spice I was telling you about, and this is the oros I was telling you about. It's the tropical flavor. It is it is me. I hope I'm not too made up. We have got a Women's Day, I'll actually post it, Women's Day function. So yeah, We had to look like this. We had to look like this. I will definitely take you along. Guys, no judgments. I'm an eyelash wam. I'm an eyelash wami. And I'm gonna get very uncomfortable if I see someone paying too much attention to my eyes.
Problem in the foundation, the structure will not stand. So I am here today to talk about how we can firm up the foundation so that by the time we begin to take off, the foundation can carry us. Hallelujah. So in the book of Revelation,
Lanage guys, I was trying to show you my outfit of the day. Yar.
Drives me insane.
I ain't got a clue, bruh.
Wait. So what can I say to you? When I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Here we go again. What is it for this girl? What is love? What is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? Our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living faster. Don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes.
Right up to the side of my mountain. the tipsy. That's you.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You know what I'm saying. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not base.
Yo, guys, the instructions, okay, not instructions, the strict instructions I was receiving here. Make sure you don't cut too high. Oh no, Kunju, not too low. Yo, guys, I'm going to my instructions la. Self. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please leave a cute little heart on the comment section. See you on the next one. I hope you subscribed. Bye.